In this video, we're gonna go over the recent Terra 2.0 launch, a price analysis, and where the project is likely to be headed in the future. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, after 2 full weeks of nasty Twitter threads, crazy thing happenings after this despicable attack that happened to the Terra ecosystem, finally, the proposal, the most probably critiqued proposal in the entire crypto industry finally took place, and the Terra 2.0 token officially launched at 6 a.m. UTC on May 28th. So the first block of the new blockchain was produced at 6 a.m. It has been a very challenging couple of weeks for the entire Terra ecosystem. So I followed the evolution of the proposal very closely, and the fact is that it was very difficult to make everyone happy. So a lot of people wanted to have the burn of the Luna Classic so that it would regain at least some value with the burn of the token. But when you have a 6.7 trillion supply, it is a very challenging thing to do. It requires a lot of capital. So that was abandoned, and the rebirth of the chain was the proposal that passed, even though it was a very critiqued, and also some people said that it wasn't done in a very democratic way, because on the proposal itself there were a lot of yes even before the proposal was launched. Okay, so I'm not gonna go into that, but just I want to let you get straight to the facts and also make a price analysis. So at the moment, the airdrop to the pre and post attack holders has happened, and 30% has been distributed at Genesis and 70% vesting over 2 years. Actually, I did receive 30% of my airdrop here in my Terra wallet. So I have 112 Luna, which is the 30% of the vesting, because the snapshot of the holdings was taken based on the May 7th date at midnight. And at that time, I still had some UST on my wallet. So I received the airdrop, 30% of the airdrop. I haven't sold this yet, but that's what I received based on the UST, Terra UST that I had at that time, because I sold the entire stash of the UST on May 8th, converted to another stable coin, okay? So the thing is that right now, all right, all the major exchanges are supporting the 2.0 revival plan, like Binance, Bybit, Kraken, Gate.io. All the major exchanges right now are supporting the plan, which will give the Terra 2.0 token a lot of exposure. And when you are listed into a major exchange, that's where you can get a lot of volume, but the project still has to prove a lot, okay? This is something that a lot of investors do not forget very easily, right? Because it went from a multi-billion-dollar market cap to literally zero in a matter of a week. So we need to see a lot more work by the Terra team in order to prove that this proposal is viable and they have the really good intention for the future for this ecosystem. Okay, so let's quickly take a look at the price action of the Luna token, right? So I'm pulling up the Bybit chart right here. So immediately after launch, it reached a all-time high of $30. Okay, then it had, of course, a massive sell-off, especially from people that received the airdrop, right? And it had a retracement from $30 down to $3.56. So quite a substantial retracement. Then a couple of hours after, it reached a local high of $10, and since then has been trading sideways between $4 and $7. Okay, so this is the ranges that we're observing right here. There's definitely a demand zone between $4.79 until $3.66. It could potentially be interesting to take a swing trade trade if it reaches this lows right here, targeting this supply zone at $10, or even this other supply zone right here between $14 and $17. So it is very volatile. It is very risky to get into any trades on Luna at the moment, given the fact that we are in a bear market, given the fact that it's just launched, and given the trust factor that at the moment it's not there. It could even drop another 70 to 80%. Okay, so be very careful on trading Luna at the moment. Keep observing the charts and make your own decision. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. All right, so where do I see Luna going in the near future? So I believe that based on the team, okay, delivering, based on the updates, based on the trust factor, again, whether or not it will regain trust in the crypto community or not, that will determine the success or the failure of the project. However, even though Do Kwon has been attacked in every shape or form from everyone, right? From CZ, from Binance, from all the major crypto leaders, and also from, of course, from the Luna holders. He has delivered on a plan of rebirth of the Terra 2.0 ecosystem in a very, very short period of time, okay? Whether or not this plan will be successful, only the time will tell, but the fact that he has the support of the major exchanges and the fact that a lot of projects are migrating to the new chain, that will definitely give the ecosystem that boost that it needs to potentially reach a new all-time high in the future. Do I think that this is going to happen in the next few months? Absolutely not. Probably this is something that will take probably the next bull run to see a massive upside and to get again into the top 100. So at the moment, the type of opportunities that I do see here, maybe some swing trades with small positions, and we'll see what happens in the future based on what the team will deliver. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this Terra 2.0 launch, and where do you see the project likely headed in the future? All right, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified about these time-sensitive videos, and I'll see you in the next.